I, Jaye Lindsay, do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. Growing up in a small country town in Central Florida, guns were a way of life in our family. I was introduced to responsible gun ownership pretty early in life, and it's a tradition that I carry on with my own kids today. As a young man, I joined the Army, and like so many others in my family who came before me, I knew that serving my country was more than just a job, it was my duty, and I've never forgotten the oath that I took nearly 24 years ago. But it wasn't the last time that I'd be taking an oath. I do solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Illinois, that I will faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of my ability. When I became an attorney almost 13 years ago, I never imagined that my career would lead me to helping my fellow Americans fight for their basic constitutional rights. I certainly never would have imagined that one day I'd be fighting a state government to defend people's Second Amendment rights, but every day our office gets calls from all over the state of Illinois from decent folks, law-abiding citizens who've lost their right to bear arms, often for questionable reasons, sometimes not even knowing why they lost their rights. A lot of people call our office because they've lost their Illinois FOID card, and in most cases they're pretty frustrated, confused, maybe even a little angry, because the vast majority of folks who call us for help have done very little wrong. Some may have a 20 or 30-year-old criminal charge. Some may have a minor misdemeanor that was non-violent in nature. Some may have a case involving an automobile or a DUI. Others have orders of protection taken out on them that are ultimately dismissed for lack of evidence. Others may be accused of having a mental health problem that they're not even aware they have. Over the course of my life, I've taken several oaths to defend the Constitution, and it's a sacred honor to continue serving my fellow Americans as an attorney here in Illinois. At Crossroad Legal, we understand that your gun rights are not a luxury or some privilege the government gives you. Your right to bear arms is an essential part of who you are as an American, so when you work with us, you can rest assured that we won't stop until your rights are restored. Whether you're fighting to get your FOID card back, or you're facing some gun-related criminal charge, or you're interested in preserving your family's legacy and protecting a large firearm collection, we know that sometimes you only get one shot.